Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file Form 1099 and Form W-2. First, it's crucial to understand the distinction between these forms. Form W-2 is for employees, while Form 1099 is for independent contractors. Begin by collecting all your income statements, including any W-2s from employers and 1099s from clients. This initial step ensures you have all the required information ready for accurate reporting. When filing your W-2, remember your employer is responsible for sending this form to you. It summarizes your annual wages and the taxes already withheld. You'll typically report this income on line 1 of your Form 1040. Always double-check that your name and social security number on the W-2 precisely match your official records to avoid any processing delays. For those receiving Form 1099, this typically indicates you're an independent contractor or freelancer. You'll report this income on Schedule C, profit or loss from business, which is then attached to your Form 1040. It's vital to meticulously track all your business expenses throughout the year. These deductions can significantly reduce your taxable income, potentially saving you a substantial amount. To ensure a smooth filing process, consider filing electronically. This often leads to faster processing and provides immediate confirmation that your return was received. If you anticipate owing $1,000 or more in taxes, especially from 1099 income, remember to make estimated tax payments quarterly. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Taking these steps can help you stay organized and avoid penalties.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.